This video is going to be an unboxing of the Minn Kota Deckhand 40 electric anchor. Now the reason I'm doing an unboxing is it doesn't really describe that well what all is inside the box. As far as cable length, are there terminal connectors, are there two switches, one on the unit and a remote. It's just a little vague on what all is inside the box. So I'm going to have to unbox it, check it all out, and see if I need to make a run to the hardware store to get any other accessories. Let's get it unboxed and check it out. First, I'm just going to kind of show you what the box looks like. And I'm also going to tell you how to get this the cheapest way possible. Now I searched all over for the last couple months deciding whether or not I wanted to buy this. Most everywhere it's about $349 to $379. Well, I found it at it's a place called Farm and Fleet, and they sell it for $229. So I snatched it up. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. See what all is in here. Like I said, see if I need to run to the hardware store for anything. Instruction manual, warranty card, and looks like this here is the actual unit and down at the bottom. So that's one thing I kind of wondered is how long the battery cables are. Alright, so I didn't know if I needed to pick up some more wiring and connectors. So I would say it looks like battery cables are about 3 feet. So I had to read part of the instructions to figure out if I was missing anything or not. It does not come with any bolts. I thought it would at least come with the bolts to mount this to the actual deckhand unit, which is how I'm going to mount it. But there's no bolts for that. No mounting bolts. And in the instructions it says to mount this on top of rubber washers. So I'm going to have to pick up some of those as well. But since I have it out of the box, I'm just kind of going to show you what it looks like. And as far as the switch, there's one switch mounted right on the unit, and it's an optional accessory to have the remote switch, which I'll probably wind up buying and mount it back by the throttle on the boat. But I really don't need this right now. And it does come pre-wound with the rope. And like I said, there's about 36 inches of battery cable, so I do not need to extend this. So that's the unboxing, and from what I can tell, I'm going to need about 8 mounting bolts and some rubber washers, and I'm going to get it mounted and hooked up. So hopefully you learned a little something from watching this, and I thank you for watching.